Okay. Where is it from here? Um, where am I? This one here. Let me just get it in my head. So if you're looking at Bitcoin, just go on to the 15-minute. Right. This is areas here. Respected this area. I didn't work out a little bit. It's a bit funny with the trend lines, but there is price along here. You can see where price jumped. So this is just a quick scalp for me. There's an area where price really pushed up all the time. Pushed up here as well. If it breaks this area, I'd expect it to come down. If it breaks out of here, I'd expect it to either consolidate before a push up. It's got this box here. You can see through here. Very basic. The market just repeats itself, but here if it breaks out of this trend line, could come up to this area, pull back, up to here, pull back, go up, could sell. But when I'm looking at this, I'm looking to the left, very, very, this whole area here has a lot to break through, but that doesn't say it won't, or it could just push out of here and continue up. So I'm looking at this, right? When I'm looking at this area here in 1 minute, okay, respect to this here, this area, through, right, probably a little up here a bit more. So it didn't break that, didn't break the trend. And I'll just put my trend lines here. That broke. So it made another low here, a lower high, another lower high. Broke through here. Also made a bearish pattern here. Patterns are in the Discord in Forex channel. And there's my zone here. So, and then I put on this here. There's a lot of sells happening, sell, sell, sell. No sorry than buys. So I'm looking here. This had red and green, so I wouldn't go near it. It's also consolidating. Right. But in here, there, this broke here. You can see I just pull this up. Right. So I'm looking at the candles. We have a sell here, beautiful. We have another sell here, but it was on a trend. See this trend line here? But even in here, right? I know it's a bit funny, the candles on this one, but you see it's making all these bearish patterns. Right? So if this was on a 1 hour time frame, you go, oh, there's a flag, right? Bearish, right? So a bearish flag, boom, bearish flag, continuation down, and again, right? Bearish, and then again, it just even here, boom, boom, boom. So that's what I look for. Boom, boom, boom. Down we go again. Right, look to the left. There's no turnarounds here. So you can, had a position here. But this broke this level here. Everything was very, very bearish before breaking as well. So, and then I'll put that on again. And this here, tapped into this underneath. Beautiful cell. Everything is red here. Right. So there's green here. I'm not going to take any cells, just in here. See this one here? That's a no-go. Right. This is in a downtrend, so I'm not going to take no buys. Right, because we just broke. Right, break, so break, retest for me. Just right, break and retest, bearish, down. Right, this is bearish, beautiful Heikin Ashi candles. Right, these ones here. Okay, but I want to see this red. This is red here. It's a goer. Right, this one here. You can because this is breaking and retesting. You can add positions here if you wanted to in a forex. But if it breaks out, you want to get out. This here, this was red. These two top bars is what I'm looking at. These bars, right? But this is all red. Main thing here is the underneath moving averages, and they are nicely apart. See how in here, where am I drawing? Right, they are apart. When they're together like this, it's consolidating. Right here. Hang on, let me just get rid of all the spheres. Okay, fat Heikin Ashi candles. See how they come together? Now it's consolidating, right? Downtrend comes in together, and then this separates. This is what you want to see. So in here, this is consolidation. Okay. Have a look at the bars. It's very simple. We're in a downtrend. Right. Here we have got this area in here. It's separate. Let me just see if I can just. Yeah. There's no buying. This here is all nicely apart. This is through price. Traders will come in a downtrend, and if it's creating a pattern, they might go in here. Right, you can do that as well. There's a break and a retest. Right, this I'm talking about this area here. You can add positions. Right, this here would be a higher risk. That's what some traders do. Okay, so say you did 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, and then when it comes down, you'll profit. You're already at profit, right? Okay, whatever you do here, you can add a position here as well, right? And then down it comes. Then I'm just getting in, I'm having a look to the left, right? This is a long way. Now it's come up, right? I'm not holding on. It's just I'm getting in my money, right? Okay, so there we go. Cheers.